Welcome to Flip Lesson 63 for the 5th grade. Today we're going to talk about subtracting fractions from whole numbers that are greater than 1. For example, we see 5 minus 4. So looking at this problem, we see that the picture I've drawn shows you 5 whole circles representing those 5 whole numbers. But now we want to subtract this fraction of 3/4. Alright. So, to do that, what we're going to do is we're actually going to take our whole number of 5 right here, and we're going to take one of them and we're going to break it up. Alright? And so I take one of my whole numbers and I break it up and turn it into a fraction. So what I've done, and if you look at this, what I have is I have 4 whole circles left, and I have one circle that's divided into 4 fourths. Now, as you look at this mixed number, it really does represent the number 5. It's this number 4 plus this number 1. And so it does still equal this number 5 right here. However, this is going to allow us to subtract our 3/4. Right? Now we have a common denominator, which is important. And so by looking at this picture, I can say, okay, I'm going to subtract 3/4 from this idea now. And in the end, I'm going to have 4 of these go down. I have 4 left over here. And, right, if I subtract one of these, I get one of these. Subtract one of these. Subtract one of these. And the only thing that's going to come down is 1/4. And so in the end, I have an answer of 4 and 1/4. And we can see how that works. Let's try another simple problem to get an example together. We have the number 7 minus 1/8. Right? So what we want to do is we want to take this picture of 7 and we want to split it up so that we can have one of our 7s in a fraction form. Right? And so in the end, we're going to have 6 whole ones and 1 divided into something that has the same denominator, right? So we're going to have an 8 for a denominator so that we can actually subtract our fractions. These fractions need common denominators. And we want it equal to 1, so it's going to be 6 and 8/8. 6 and 8/8 is the same as 7. However, this now enables us to subtract our 1/8. So we can do 8 minus 1. Right? 8 minus 1 is going to give us 7, and our denominator stays the same. And now we can do 6. Bring that 6 down. And we get an answer of 6 and 7/8. So, that's our lesson for today. That's Flip Lesson 63. Subtracting a fraction from a whole number greater than 1.